Everyone, welcome back to another lecture, another video on the course Python Fundamentals Building Blocks for Aspiring Developers. So in this video, we have a quiz for the fourth module and let's begin. So I would suggest again that you should try and answer these questions first on your own and then look at the answer, and in between you can always pause the video to solve the answer. So let's begin. So what is the purpose of a function in Python? So we have these four options. You need to select what is the purpose of Python. That should be relatively easy. And if we move to the answer, the correct answer is B, to perform repetitive tasks. It is fairly simple because we can define a function and then we can call the function again and again instead of writing the complete code every time. Moving on, we have which keyword is used to define a function in Python. So these are your four options. You need to recall that while defining functions, what was the keyword that we used, and you should get the answer. And if we go on to the answer for this one, we see that correct answer is A. DEF keyword is used to define a function. The other options are simply incorrect. Moving on to the next question, we have what is the term for the values passed to a function when it is called. So we have these four options. You need to select what is the correct term. I explained that in one of the lectures, that what is the difference between terms. Two of these should be confusing for you, but you need to select which is the correct one. And if we look at the answer, the correct answer is D, because parameters are what we need to give a function when we call it. The values that we give are the arguments when calling a function, but those values altogether are parameters of a function. One value is one argument, second value is second argument, and so on, but these all together when calling a function are parameters of a function. So this is the difference between parameters and arguments. Moving on, we say what is the difference between a global and a local variable in Python, and also identify the local variable in this code. So you have four options. We did this one too. We understood the difference and it should be fairly simple for you guys.